Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here alongside Calvin Getz of Strategy Financial Group, talking today about common Social Security mistakes. Now, Calvin, is it true that some of these mistakes can keep us from getting all of the benefits that we're entitled to?
Absolutely, Jen. Too many people file right at age 62 and they don't do an analysis. And for the average family out there, they can leave as much as $100,000 on the table over their life expectancy. So planning for Social Security is a lot more complex than you thought. It depends on your marital status, your work history, the amount of money you've saved for retirement can really determine when you should trigger the benefit. Typically, a higher benefit spouse might want to delay longer, and the lower benefit spouse might want to claim earlier because the higher benefit sticks around in the event of death of one spouse. So that's why we've put together the Retirement Roadmap book and the kit that comes along with it to help make the right claiming strategies in your situation.
Right, one of those things that needs to be made in context with everything else that we have, not just in a vacuum. You have some great resources that cover all those areas of retirement planning, right?
That's right. Whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, or you've been retired for a while, making the right claiming decisions on Social Security can save you hundreds of thousands of dollars potentially over the life expectancy of your retirement.
Right. It seems like this is one of those areas, Calvin, where it really makes sense to get that second opinion, get another set of eyes on this.
That's right. And that's why we create a Social Security analysis for our clients.
Right. It's all part of that comprehensive retirement roadmap kit. If you'd like a simple way to learn if you could get more out of your Social Security benefits, call, text, or go online to get Calvin's retirement roadmap kit. Calvin, thanks for your time today.
Thank you, Jen.
And thanks for watching this week's Retirement Report.